And my request to you is that with your kind intervention, when we talk about skill, so that this ITI it will have its permanent campus as well as to increase the trade, not only 2 to 3, but at least 5 to 6 trades, so that we can facilitate youth who will have various skill to ensure that they will have placement within the state and outside also. Number 2, sir, when we talk about pineapple and when we talk about poultry, the initiative that you have suggested that you will intervene by yourself, or you were sending those cooperative societies or those NGOs or any intervention from the central government, kindly do, sir, because we really need some support with regard to handhold our farmer and to ensure that the pineapple farmer, they will have a proper market, as well as the intervention in various fields to ensure about cold storage and other issues also that we have. Another thing, sir, Bhoi district being an aspirational district, as per the guidelines and parameters with the Ministry of Health, you are the Ministry of before. So although the criteria said that it should be more than 250 beds should be there in every district hospital. So in this regard also, if there is any intervention, keeping in mind that the Bhoi district in the aspirational district, a civil hospital in Nagpur, so that they will be qualified, so that we can have a government-owned medical college. Now we have a private medical college in USTM in Kiling, within the district itself. But we want for the benefit of the citizen at large, as well as to facilitate employment, academic admission for the student of our district. This also is the point that if we can intervene and talk to the ministry with regard to the Bhoi district. So because you have been holding health portfolio in the past government also, you know very well about this also. My last point is that with regard to the government school, who have an intervention on this also, more support we need, even though the state government is doing the level best, but more intervention has to be given, keeping in mind that you are here with a lot of burden. We understand yesterday you are in Shillong, inaugurated the integrated sports complex in Shillong, as well as state is hosting the national games in 2027. Then huge expenditure from central government and state government also. Even though I want to talk something about sports infrastructure in the Bhoi district, but keeping in mind that the path ahead is the national game. And before I conclude, if you can consider at least 1-2 events that the Bhoi district also could host, it is a privilege for us also before the national game 2027.